Hey guys, this is me. This is my review of I think it's a Beretta or something like that. Bought two of them, so I got two mags here. The other one was broken. Don't know why. And I bought it. And two is just for $1. And it doesn't hurt people. But when you put it in the eyes, you're dead. It doesn't you know what I mean. It doesn't really hurt that much. So the other one got broken by a battle. Me and my neighbor had a battle. He had nothing to do. That's why we just had a battle. Cool. It doesn't stick through paper. Oh, now what? Ow. That wasn't really an owl. Or was it like, what? Holy. I hate you. Okay. See the paper? And this doesn't go through. Boom. You can see there's no hole. The paper. Really no hole. This gun is useless for targets. But the Glock 21 was also no favor. So I wanted to buy a bigger one. Should have bought the other one. Okay. Don't care. Just going to buy another one. Cool. It's so small. It looks big at the camera. It's so small. See? For a big guy like me, it's so small. So tiny. Man, I don't hate this gun. It's fun to shoot with people. Does it sting? It doesn't hurt. Oh yeah, look, I made a scope. Cool. That cool as yeah. Let me see. Hi, how are you? Eyeball is sticking through. Oh, you're going to get shot by the gun. Wow, cool. Open it. Cock the gun. Wait. Wow, cool. Cock the gun. Oh, come on. Cool. Is that cool? You see the BB? Yeah, it's there. Struggling first. Ah! Stop going into my laptop. Guys, there's just less than $1. Don't know what to do with $1. Hey, you can buy this also. It's also less than $1. It's like, can buy two of them for like $1.50. I don't know. It's 1,000 BBs. Sort of like, Okay. Comment, rate, and subscribe on this less than $1 thingy.